To draw trend lines on Robinhood, start by opening the app and navigating to the stock or asset you want to analyze. Tap on the chart icon to view the price chart. By default, Robinhood displays a candlestick chart, but you can switch to a line chart or area chart if you prefer. Locate the drawing tools icon, which is usually represented by a pencil or a plus sign. Tap on this icon to access the drawing tools menu. From this menu, select the trendline tool, which is typically represented by a line with an arrow at one end. Once you have selected the trendline tool, tap on the chart where you want to start drawing the trendline. You can draw the trendline by dragging your finger across the chart. As you draw, the trendline will be displayed in real time. You can draw multiple trend lines by repeating this process. To draw a horizontal trend line, tap on the chart at the level where you want to draw the trend line. Then drag your finger horizontally. To draw a diagonal trend line, tap on the chart at the starting point. Then drag your finger to the ending point. When drawing trend lines, it is essential to consider key concepts such as support and resistance levels, chart patterns, and market trends. Support levels are areas where the price has bounced back in the past, while resistance levels are areas where the price has been rejected. Chart patterns, such as triangles and wedges, can help you identify potential trend reversals. Best practices for drawing trend lines on Robinhood include using multiple timeframes to confirm trends, combining trend lines with other technical indicators, and regularly updating your trend lines to reflect changes in market conditions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use trend lines to analyze and trade stocks on Robinhood.